Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea. Thank you for joining me today. It's all of a sudden gone really dull outside, really black clouds and overcast. Anyway, that's the weather forecast for today. Right, I've come here today because I just wanted to tell you about these cards that have appeared on my Instagram and Facebook and all of that. It's all linked below. And they've been quite popular. Lots of people have been liking them and complimenting them. But I just wanted to show you how to make them, to tell you how to make them. I'm not going to show you how to make them because I've got a little stray pearl there. Because I've made two already and I don't need any more than that. But I also have filmed this tutorial twice, and one time I accidentally deleted the footage, and the other time it was a corrupt file. So I'm not going to make it again because I don't believe in third time lucky. So I'm just going to go through it because they're not rocket science at all. So I thought I'm just going to go through how to make them. So they're slightly different dimensions, but they're both sort of based on the same theme. You'll see that this one's got slightly bigger boobs to that one. And it's up to you which sort of way you prefer it. If you prefer the dress to sort of be lower down and the bust part to look smaller, then, you know, just position your doilies, because obviously that's what I've used here. So what I have used here is I've used a base of extra thick Very Vanilla, but you can use a normal base. That one's just got a normal base. And it measures 5 3/4 by 4 1/2. So that's 14.6 centimetres by 11.4 centimetres. Obviously that's doubled, 22.8, and scored in the middle on the long side. And then I've got a piece of champagne foil which measures 5 3/8 by 4 1/4. So that's 13.6 centimetres by 10.8 centimetres. And then I've got a piece of whatever colour cardstock you're going to use to represent the flesh tone, which is 5 1/8 by 4. So that's 13 centimetres by 10.2 centimetres for this card. Okay. And then what I've used is I've just used 2 Stampin' Up! Doilies. These are really good value. You get 24 in a pack, I think it is. Yeah, 24 in a pack. They're available at the moment. And all you do is you just position them around your brown cardstock. Now, I think one of the best things to do is to fasten on your ribbon first. Now this one I just used a single piece ribbon. This one I used a double piece for just added effect. Let me just zoom in a little bit so you can see. It just added a little extra bit of elegance, really. And what you do is you just put your ribbon around the back of your body colour card, and then pull it forward and just fasten it wherever you're going to stop your bust shape. Now you can either put your ribbon on first or use your doily first. What I did with my doily for this one was I wanted my ribbon to sit behind you can see you've got a big arch and then a smaller arch on your doily. So I wanted my ribbon to sit behind the smaller arch and then that allowed me to use the doily to make sure that the straps were in the right place and the 2 doilies were the same distance from the edge. So all I did was I took the arch is where I wanted the ribbon to come from, so then I knew that my doily had to fold over after this big scallop, okay? And then it's up to you how high up or how low down you put it. And then you just fold it over, fold it under and glue it on the other side. And all I do is I use snail and I just put a strip here, a strip there, fasten my doily on, and then just fold it under on the other side and glue it down again with the snail. Now don't glue this part of your doily because then you can just slip your ribbon underneath. I've just used snail, you can use fast fuse, you can use Tombow, whatever you like, and you just attach the two. You just want them to slightly overlap or to at least join, otherwise you end up with a gap here. And then all I did then was just add on the necklace. For this one I just used pearls with a little droplet kind of effect, and for this one I used pearls and diamante or rhinestones. Oops, that one's not quite lined up. Pearls and rhinestones alternate, and then I used a metal rimmed pearl for the feature part of the necklace. And that was all I did. I'd sort of give you some advice on how to make this card. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.